Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this vlog we'll be unboxing some Amazon orders. I was about to say finding, but I'm not going to say finding because you have seen this lamp in the multiple like posters, like every influencer or any person who's in the Instagram or want an aesthetic, they will have this lamp. So I always wanted to have, and like finally I have ordered it for my home. So let's get unbox it, and I have two more things are there which I will show you next. So first we'll unbox the lamp and let's see how it's. I will show you what all things we get in that and how to install it. So I have this box kind of thing is there. I don't know, there's some two, three screws kind of thing is there and one bulb. I don't know. I thought it will come in a proper shape, but I think we need to get it installed. Then what is this? Okay, so the plug and this thing is there. We'll see after installing how this works. Okay, one, two, and three. Something is there. Okay, I will see. Okay, finally they have gave the manual, so I have to read this manual and then we'll install it. Okay, so they have a scanner also here to see the YouTube video. So I'll just try first by myself. Oh, nice! It looks so aesthetic. I think this is a tabletop, and the rest of the things we need to get it installed. So, yeah, let's get started for the installation. So first we will install the lamp and then we will see what is there in the another box. So I have so many stuffs to get it installed. Let's see how it works. So first I will remove this box from here and then let's install it. I'm just I'll just keep it if something doesn't work and I have to return it. So that's why I will keep everything. So like this way you need to install it. So it was quite difficult at initial, but yeah. So this was the middle one, and there also you have some screw. I will do so. In this pipes, one side is hollow kind of thing is there, and another side is screw kind of thing is there. So when hollow is there, so like this you have to do. Oh, finally, and then the last one. Now we have a little screws here. So what? Yep. So how this is how it is looking like. Yep. I will arrange it after. So yeah, this is how it is looking. It is of my height actually. Bulb is also there. So I'm just putting it from here. This particular thing will be fixed. It will not move. So we need to tight a screw and then I will put a bulb. So my lamp installation is ready and we'll now keep it here. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, I will shut all my lights down. Yep, so dreamy effect it is giving. Now, this is how actually it is looking. Up this lamp, we have unboxed it and we have settled it. Now, I have a one more thing to show you guys. So, come, let's unbox it. I'm excited to see. Ooh, this is a table. Okay, I got it. This is the first one. And this is the second. Ooh, up. Oh, the parcel was very big. So see how is it looking? Nice. It has a very premium quality. This will go inside it, and like that we have to place it. It's looking quite good actually. So it looks. And if you want a same, I can share you the link as well for this one. Now this is the final look of how it is going to look like. So I'm definitely sure when I'm going to tell this to my family and show it to them, they're definitely going to say what it is. I am well prepared for getting scolded for this one, but I want my home to be aesthetic and it will look too good in the place where we have a sofa and the TV case is there. So yeah. So before that, guys, please do like, share, subscribe for my channel.